doctors and all members of our beloved Team Medical. My greetings to all of you on the occasion of the 75th Independence Year. We have been celebrating Azadi Amrit Mahotsav, and the main purpose of all these celebrations is just to remind us of the contributions made by our leaders of the past, the common man. A lot of people died in the struggle for freedom. So we pay our homage to all of them on this day. As far as I am concerned, India lives on because of Team Medical. We braved the pandemic thanks to efforts from all of you. So if you are breathing free today, we are standing here without wearing masks. It is because of the very wonderful care that all of you have taken. So my greetings to all of you once again and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Greetings to you on the occasion of the 75th year of Indian independence. Indian independence we got after a long struggle. So this is the time we should remember the people who made us breathe in a free India. It is because of their struggles that we are standing here. A lot of people died for the sake of our freedom. So this is an occasion we have to remember their contribution. And as I said there in the old hospital, during the pandemic, a lot of Indians died. World over people died. And if we are breathing free today, if India lives on, it is largely because of contribution from all of you. I want to applaud publicly for your wonderful contribution. A lot of deaths were saved, particularly our railway medical setup was so good. It responded so well to the pandemic. This hospital became an example for hospitals all over Indian Railways, and I'm sure in the rest of the country also. They followed the good practices we had started. So I wish to express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you present here. Again, my greetings to all of you on the occasion of 75th year of Indian independence. I want to use this opportunity for requesting all of you over the next 3 days, please hoist a national flag or display a national flag in your respective houses. And my request is, let it be displayed from today evening. Thank you.